Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ExitLag for Fortnite. Let's get started. ExitLag is a network optimization tool designed to reduce your ping and stabilize your connection in online games like Fortnite. To begin, you'll need to download and install ExitLag from their official website. After installing, open the application and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with a search bar. Type Fortnite into the search bar and select it from the list. Now, you need to choose a server region. A common tip, especially for players in areas like South Africa, is not to automatically select the geographically closest server if it doesn't provide the best ping. For example, many players find that connecting to an Asia server, specifically a Dubai one, can offer a much lower and more stable ping than the local African server. After selecting your preferred server, click on Advanced Settings. Here, you need to configure the routes. Leave the TCP route setting on 0. For the UDP route, change the value to 4. This specific configuration helps optimize the data packets for a game like Fortnite. Once these settings are entered, click the Signed On Brow, Apply Routes button. You may see a message stating No active connections, which is normal. This just means the optimization is ready and will activate once you launch the game. Now, simply minimize ExitLag and start Fortnite. Play the game as you normally would. You can check your in-game ping counter. You should notice a significant improvement, with lower and more consistent ping, leading to smoother gameplay. I know more about this ping than me. You can check your in-game ping counter. While tools like ExitLag are great for optimizing your connection for a specific application, it's also important to secure your entire device's internet traffic, especially when gaming on unfamiliar networks. For comprehensive security and privacy that protects all your online activity, consider using a trusted VPN. For a reliable and secure VPN solution, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.